Morning, welcome to the channel. Right, today's video and today's review is a washing powder one. So come on over and have a look what we've got. As you can see, they're opened. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so I apologise. Right, when we went to Asda, I picked both of these up and I thought, right, I'm going to give them a go. We paid £2.30 for Asda's wash powder and it does 45 washes. I paid £2.50 for the Asda Comfort and they both smell really nice and fresh. I'll show you inside now. I thought I was showing you inside earlier. Right, I'll show you inside and it smells quite nice. This Comfort smells absolutely gorgeous. Right, for this review, I've got two t-shirts and they've both got some stains on them. I've used brown sauce, red sauce, fruit and some curry. And I did exactly the same on the other one. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to use the Asda wash powder and the Asda Comfort. Before I take you over to the washing machine, I thought I'd show you the back. And you can pre-wash. And there's all the information. Soft, medium, hard pre-wash. There's all the other bits there. It's non-bio, so it is good for sensitive skin. And here's all the information for the Comfort. So if you've got large loads or extra loads, you put 2 capfuls in. Then it's got 1 capful and 1 capful. So coming over to the washing machine and we'll get it started. I'm at my washing machine. I've put the first t-shirt in. And with the wash powder, there isn't any measuring jug. You know the measuring jugs you used to get for the powders? There's not one in there. I've put my hand in and had a good rummage, but I can't find one. So I will try and find something to measure the powder in. Right, I filled my washing machine up with the powder and I was just reading on the back and it says that you can pre-wash and you can hand wash with this. And the same for that information as well. It gives you it all there. So I like the clear instructions and what you can do and what you can't do. So let's go over to the washing machine and get this review started. Right, that's my wash powder. That's my Comfort. And with these reviews, I want to see how the product works, not me working for the product. So I know we all say, oh, we pre-treat our stains. I normally do, but I just want to give a fair and honest review just about the product. So let's get this machine on. Right, I've brought you back so you can see how much it's bubbled up. And it has bubbled up quite a lot for the amount that we used. So I'm going to go for a coffee while this is doing and I'll bring you all back in a bit. Right, that's the first t-shirt done. I'm going to go onto the second t-shirt now. We went into Aldi the other day and I picked this up. This was £2.39 for a 1 kg. And it's been rated #1 on Mumsnet. So we're going to put it to the test with Asda wash powder and Asda Comfort and see if we can get the second t-shirt nice and clean. Right, that's the back. That's all the instructions. You can put it in your everyday wash. You can pre-wash. You can soak it in a bowl. You can rub it into a paste and rub it onto the stains. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in with my Asda wash powder and Comfort and see how good the stains get lifted out. So come back over to the washing machine and we'll sort all this out. That's what it looks like inside. This is the little scoop. So I'm going to put 2 of these into the washing machine where the powder goes. This one's bubbled up as well. So we'll wait for this to finish and then we'll have a look at the end results. Right, this is t-shirt #1. This was just the Comfort and the wash powder on its own. I didn't really think it would work. That's grass stains from my last video. So I didn't really think that the stains would come out, but it does smell really nice and fresh. I'll show you t-shirt #2. This was with the wash powder and the Oxy Bright and the Comfort. I only put them both on a 40 degrees wash because I wanted to give it a fair review on its own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-treat this t-shirt with this because I want to give this a proper review on the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and I'll see you later. Bye.